Hey everyone, Sylwia here and welcome all to my Writix review. So it's the AI tool that destroys prompt fatigue and creates content in seconds, as I put it in my written review, which is down below in the description box. Guys, if you want to check out the sales page, just from my written review, click any of the call to action buttons and then you will be redirected to the sales page. So as we can see here, it says AI, but it's done for you. Say goodbye to prompt fatigue and create the best content of your life with ready-made AI workflows. I don't know why I am feeling a bit skeptical today. Not that this product is not fantastic, because I believe it is, okay? Here I have it. I have access to the Pro. So the Pro version gives me 50,000 credits. Now, depending on the task you will use this tool for, it will cost you anything from 10 to 20 credits, okay? There is also a bundle deal that you can get, which is all of the upsells, and it's one-time payment. So guys, if you scroll down, and this is the vendor, by the way, sorry, I should have mentioned that right off the bat, Cyril Gupta. He is a good quality vendor. It is a JVZoo launch. And what I really appreciate about Cyril is the fact that he really takes good care of his products. He doesn't abandon them. He doesn't stop maintaining them. In fact, he keeps improving and adding value, okay, to his products. Like even here in the dashboard, you have this request tool. So if there is an AI tool that you want to have, you've purchased the product and you want it added to the software, done, okay? Just send the request, and it will be done for you in no time. So describe what you want the new tool to do, and voila, okay? But anyhow, I'll take you through the members area in a sec, guys. What I wanted to finish, the point I wanted to finish is that, yes, scroll down, you will see all of the important information that, I've jotted down and organized really nicely for you. So this is the funnel. And as I was saying, there will be the all-inclusive bundle that is limited time offer, really. So that is essentially all of the upsells with a one-time payment, okay? So if you scroll further down, you will see all of my bonuses as well, if you decide you want to buy this tool from me. So let's head over to the dashboard and let me show you what you will have. So, this is like nothing new under the sun. These are AI tools, and any AI tools that you already have access to, like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, this and that, Llama, right, will do pretty much what this tool does. However, as we know, the output depends on the input. I would say this tool is perfect for people who are still sort of confused.com when it comes to prompting AI, coming up with ideas, not really knowing what they want, because when you open up ChatGPT, it's blank, right? So you have to prompt it, you have to say what you want specifically. Otherwise, if your prompt is not good, ChatGPT is just going to spit out garbage, okay? So what I like about this tool, that, all of these different tools have been put into categories, okay? So here, like first, you will have the recent tools that you would have used, and then you have all kinds of categories. And I'm telling you, these tools are amazing. I'll open up some of them, obviously not all of them, because it's just too many to go through. It is close to 300 different tools, so hey ho, I would, spend hours going through every single of them and showing you all of them. So there you go. We have categories like social media tools, writing assistant. So under this category, social media tools, you have 33 tools, different tools, like replies for LinkedIn, Facebook post, meme maker for X, so the former Twitter, right? Pinterest pin. And if you click here on see more, you will see all of the social media tools. Then we have writing assistant, and under this one there are 22 tools. Then other tools like event planning helper, custom algorithms generator. Wow. I mean, anything you can think of. HR tools, right? Copywriting tools. So they're also very good for local businesses, I would say. Then e-commerce tools. What else do we have? YouTube tools. And under this one, there are 14 different tools. Education tools, blog tools, email tools, personal tools, advertising tools, support tools, book writing tools. This is a fantastic one. I was playing around with this one. Marketing tools. Then we have SEO tools, business tools, webinar content. And you see how many tools are under each category, right? In the, brackets. Image prompt tools. Okay. That you can use for creating amazing images. Code tools for coding. Filmmaking tools. Oh, wow. Course creator tools, sales tools, idea generation. So brainstorming. If you don't know what it is that you actually want to, do, then brainstorming would be a good starting point, right? Repurpose content. So repurposing blog to reels, article to video script converter, YouTube video to blog post, video to article converter. How amazing, right? Legal tools, product management tools, a book summarizer, even music tools. So song lyrics designer. Okay. So popular tools here and your history. So all that you've been doing. Okay. All of the tools you've been using. So let me just click on one of them to show you how the process will look. So maybe let's go for the book generation. I was creating a book for children earlier. Here it is. So we click on see more. As you can see, under this one, we have book details generator for Amazon, book title generator, book chapter summarizer, book idea generator. So what's trendy? You first really want to, if you're creating books with AI, you really want to create a book about something that's trendy these days, okay? And then if you publish that book on Amazon, or I don't know, Draft to Digital or Google Books, or was it Google Play? Google Books, right? You want it to be something that people are actually looking for. Right, so book cover image ideas. I'll be digging deeper into this tool myself, trust me, okay? Book outline generator, kids story book. I think I was trying this one out. So you see here you put the story. You already have sort of your prompts organized for you. So you have the process. You are asked specific questions and you just need to answer. So for example, here the first one is put the story's title or a brief summary here. So what you want the book to be about. Let's just say kindness. Okay. That's what I was doing earlier. Not being very innovative. Type of story. So what? Comic, fantasy, mystery, fiction, moral. I think I selected moral because, kindness is sort of, that's to do with morals, right? What's the target age of the content? So let's select, maybe toddlers. So something very simple. So it will have to be, filled with images as well. Not many words. The number of characters in the book. So that's pretty cool. 3. What are your desired pages? Not more than 12 pages. Let's say just 8, very short book for toddlers. And here are the AI models that you can choose from. You can choose different languages as well. But here we have it. So let's say I'm gonna use the first one. And if, say, you want to use a few AI models and then compare the content you got from these different AI models, you can add them here by clicking on the plus sign. So let's select another one, maybe maybe llama. Okay, if you want to get rid of it, just delete and that's it. Okay, and generate. As you can see, this is going to devour 24 credits. If I was to delete this one, it would take 20. Okay, so you see, GPT consumes 20 credits, but the Meta Llama only 4, right? Because there you go. So maybe let's just use this one, 4 credits for now, and click generate. So it's generating results. Please wait. Let's wait patiently. Oh, voila, so quick. So here we have the story. And as you can see, because it is aimed at toddlers, it's very short. On page 1, you'll just have a few sentences and then images. It's going to be mainly images. As we know, the older the child, the more text we can put on the page. So there you have, it's about kindness, 8 pages, and voila, ready. Okay guys, so I'm not going to present every single tool that is available here for you because it would just take me ages. It would take me ages, but you can also create workloads, like here, your workloads. Did I create any? No, I haven't. But if you click on create workload, you can do that. For example, it could be a welcome email for your LinkedIn newsletter or something like that. Okay, so you prompt it here, and then you will have this workload created for you, and you can use it over and over again. Okay, going back to the dashboard, here you have tutorials, a few tutorials. The first 2 are only 2-3 minutes long. The voice, it's AI voice in the first 2 tutorials. Good tutorial, but I'm just saying AI voice. But then the third one, which is about 12 minutes long, has actually been created by the vendor, by Cyril. So that's he takes you through through what's possible, what this tool can do, what the software can do for you. Okay. And again, here, as I said, you can request a tool, and they will be adding new tools to the dashboard, consistently on a regular basis. Right, guys. So it is run on credits. Please read all of the information in order to make an educated decision. Now, during the launch, it's 24, I believe, something like that still. After the launch, which is going to be in a few days after the launch is over, it will jump to sort of double the price. So the time to get it is now, really, guys. There will be unlimited options, pro. But as I said, if you want it now, and you want reseller rights as well, then get the all-inclusive bundle deal, which is not super expensive, $187. Normally the bundle deals are more like $250, close to $300. So this one is pretty affordable. All right, guys. So that's that. Check out the written review. It's a cool tool. Again, as I said, nothing new under the sun. I'm not here to overhype it, but it's good quality, does the job. You have so many done for you tools with the prompting already there in place. So there's not much thinking that is required of you, wondering how should I prompt ChatGPT in order to get the best outcome. You know what I mean? So that's sort of like a shortcut for you. A mental shortcut. I don't know if that's a good idea, right? Making us lazy? Maybe not. All right. Guys, love you and leave you. See you very soon. Bye.